Hi, I'm Emily Palmer, and I will be teaching Summer Springboard's Business and Entrepreneurship class at NYU this summer. I'm also the executive director and founder of Next Page, a literacy nonprofit here in New York. My path to business was not direct. I studied journalism at Columbia and then spent the next 10 years as an investigative reporter. I wrote for the New York Times, People magazine. I covered the cases of El Chapo, Anna Delvey, R. Kelly, Diddy. I reported from a jail cell at Rikers Island. I went to Mexico and I went inside the Sinaloa cartel. Over time, I realized I didn't want to just write about problems. I wanted to build solutions. And what I really wanted to do was teach creative writing to incarcerated and formerly incarcerated youth. But such programs did not yet exist in juvenile detention centers in New York City. And so I delved into the exciting world of entrepreneurship, building a nonprofit from the ground up in just 6 months, assembling a team, raising funds, and launching pilot programs for young people across New York City. And this summer, I'm excited to help make your ideas a reality. Whether you want to start a business, create an app, or develop something no one's even thought of yet, entrepreneurship is about making your ideas happen.